The strategy I'm about to reveal to you right now is one of the old strategy I've shown on my channel previously. But guys, if you're new to my channel, I'd like to show you this strategy again because this actually helped me go on to making some cool cash right here in today's revenue. So guys, I'm going to walk you through how you could actually do that and make such cool amount just by utilizing a very cool platform called Sprout Gig right here. And if you do analyze Sprout Gig website, you actually do find out with similar web statistics that Sprout Gig gets about 2.5 million visits in just the last 28 days. That's actually cool right now. And if you go on to scrolling through, you can see that most of its traffic comes from Egypt, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Brazil, and Algeria. So basically guys, it will be much more advisable to promote offers to one of these countries right here. That's why I'm going to walk you through how you could do just that. So stick with me right here to the end of the video. So basically, first of all, we're going to go on to CPAGRIP right here, or any other CPA marketing platform you could grab hold of and go on to creating an account on such platforms. Click on register, be brought to this page. Provide your basic details on all fields with the red asterisk signs and actually agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes out before getting your account created. Once your account has been created, you want to come onto this section right here. Click on this offer tools option, select my offers, be brought to this page right here where you can go on to filtering offers to any country of your choice. It is quite important you go on to filtering your offer to select offers from countries like Egypt. So if I do select Egypt right here, because Egypt is a country that actually gets most of its traffic, or similar web, or rather Sprout Gig gets most of its traffic from Egypt, which is about 19%, or you could use Indonesia right there, Sri Lanka, Brazil, or Algeria. Make sure you use one of these countries right here. But because Egypt has the most traffic, that's why I'm using Egypt. So if I go back to CPAGRIP right here, you can see lots of cool CPA marketing offers. Maybe I select based on payout right now. You can actually do see some cool offers right here, but guys, the payouts are not actually that high. I'm just going to switch to Indonesia. So if I do select Indonesia and filter based on payouts, you can see this has better payout options right here that pays about $0.69 right here. That's approximately 2 times what the highest offer was showing me on Egypt. So if I do select the offer right now, you can see more details about the offer. It's for you to access anime content, and your leads need to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their phone number while going through a survey using this your unique affiliate link, and they need to come from the United States, or from Indonesia right here before you can get paid this amount, which is 69 cents. So all you need to do right now is to copy this link and head on to a landing page builder site out there. There are a lot of landing page builder sites like Google site right here. You could also utilize other websites like systemy.io or maybe the breezy.io right here. And if you utilize this site, you can just simply go into creating cool and easy landing pages right here in just a breeze. I'm not going to walk you through how you could create landing pages for that CPA marketing offers because I already have a lot of videos on my channel that can show you just that. To gain access to such videos, all you need to do is to come right here, click on this search icon and type in landing page. If you do type in landing page and click on enter, you'll be able to see the videos I created for you that could help you create simple landing pages right now. This one shows you how to create a landing page right here that could earn you up to $500 a day. This one shows you how to create a landing page with systemy.io. This is with Google site. Also Systemy, this is with Webflow right here. And guys, the list keep going on and on. I created some cool videos that could help you create landing pages on various websites. So right now guys, once you do create a landing page and link that landing page to this particular CPA marketing offer, all you need to do right now is to go on to promoting that using Sprout Gigs. And how do you do that? You just need to come on to sproutgigs.com and go on to sign up for an account. Click on sign up right here. You will be brought to this page. Provide your basic details on all these fields right here, which you can see, and you could either sign up as a worker or as an employer. It doesn't really matter the one you do sign up for right now because you can actually switch within your account once you've actually created an account right there anytime you actually do want. So once you have successfully signed up and logged into your account, you should be brought to a page such as this. And if you are actually on the freelancer section right here or the freelancer account, you can actually just switch that. That is actually the worker section. All you need to do right now is to come right here, click on find jobs. If you do click on find jobs right here, you'll be able to see a lot of micro tasks you can go on to doing. You can see the respective amount of cash you'll be earning from completing such tasks, and the task will actually take you about 5 minutes at most to actually complete such tasks. You can see this one right here just for you to watch the video for 5 seconds, and you are gonna get paid $2 right here. And they actually need 24 people to complete this task right here. So you can actually be among the people that complete this task and earn this particular amount right here. So you can go on to scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of tasks you can actually go on to doing to earn money right here. And these are actually for people that are intending on promoting their offers for free on this platform. So if you want to promote your offers for free, it is quite advisable you do go on to completing tasks first to kind of generate capital that you will use to go on to promoting your CPA offers for free on this platform. So once you have actually generated some cool cash right there, maybe if you don't want to just simply go on to completing some offers yourself, you can actually go on to funding your account yourself. So if you do come right here and click on this particular icon, you can actually see how much you've earned. Maybe you could come right here, click on this profile, and you can just simply go on to check in my account. Or first of all, switch your account to the buyer section or to the buyer account, then click on this particular option right here, which is spendable, and you can just simply go on to funding your account via any one of these payment methods right here. Once you do fund your account and switch your account to the buyer account, which is actually the employer account, you want to just simply come right here, click on micro jobs, click on post job right now, and you want to just simply select the continent which that particular offer is actually available to. Since I'm promoting offer to Sri Lanka, I'm going to just simply select Asia right here, and I'm just going to select, as you can see, this says select all countries you want to exclude from selected zone. So I'm going to select all countries except Sri Lanka right now. So if I do go on to selecting all other countries except Sri Lanka, I'm going to click on apply and go to next. You want to select the kind of offer right now. I'm just going to simply select something like a sign up offer. Select simple sign up and go on to selecting apply and go to next. Right here, you want to give the job a title. Maybe I'm just going to give it exactly the same title as in CPAGRIP right here. Or you could just simply go on to put in something like simple sign up. So if I put in something like simple sign up, you want to put in steps for this job right here. The step 1 should be something like click on the link below. Then you want to make sure you put in your link right now. Or you could actually go on to put in something like this. Then insert your link. And if you go on to the step 2, you want to just simply put in something like complete sign up. Then if you do put in something like complete sign up, you can add in a third step, which is screenshot the sign up completion page. So once this has actually been done, I've actually inserted all my steps right here. You can actually go into this proof section. Make sure you go into selecting the kind of proof as screenshot proof, and you want to just simply put in what you want them to screenshot. I'm just going to come right here, copy this exact same text right here, which is the screenshot sign up completion page. I'm going to paste that in right here. If you need more than one proof, you can actually do insert that right now. Once you are done right here, click on apply and go to next. And right here, you want to select the amount of workers you actually need to complete this your job. So if I actually need about 50 workers, I'm going to put that in right here. You want to put in how much each worker will earn. Since I'm going to be earning about 69 cents from this offer, I just want to make that offer kind of a generous offer right there. So I'm just going to go on to giving my workers about half of that money. That should be about 34 cents right here, so that I will also be making 34 cents once somebody do complete this offer. So it's going to be a win-win for everyone right here. So you can see right here, this is a very cool one right here. This is the exact amount I actually need to go on to funding this account for me to go on to posting this job right here. So you can actually do click on apply and go to next. And guys, you're going to just simply go on to the settings section, because we're already on the settings section. If you do click on apply and go to next, you just simply have to preview your offer that you're actually promoting and go on to publishing it on this platform, and your offer will be listed among one of those which you actually saw earlier on this platform. So guys, basically this is a very cool way which you can actually use to get a lot of traffic to your CPA offers and make some cool cash online. If the video did add any form of value to you, why not just simply hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.